from data centers to pharma surprises. Welcome to Market Mindset AI, where we make sense of the chaos in finance, one story at a time. I'm your host, Big Money Mike, and today's episode is packed. We're talking about pharma stock surprises, billion-dollar bets in AI data centers, and a potential shakeup in the steel industry. Plus, we'll kick it all off with a quick market pulse. Let's dive in. Segment 1, Pulse Check, Markets on the Move. It's been a roller coaster week on Wall Street. The S&P 500 shed nearly 2%, while the Nasdaq dipped over 2.3%, spooked by a hotter-than-expected jobs report. Good news for the economy sometimes spells bad news for stocks. It's that delicate dance of rate cut expectations. One standout loser? Constellation Brands. Despite their strong cash flow, a disappointing earnings report and concerns over warning labels on alcohol bottles dragged the stock down 17%. But let's not forget the bright spots. Defensive sectors like healthcare held strong, with companies like GE Healthcare getting analyst upgrades. The takeaway? It's a mixed bag out there, and the market's feeling jittery. Segment 2, Pharma Drama, Moderna and Eli Lilly. Let's talk about the big movers in pharma land. Moderna, mRNA, had a rough week, with shares tumbling 17% after cutting its 2025 revenue forecast by $1 billion. Weak demand for its COVID-19 and RSV vaccines is forcing the company to slash costs, $1 billion this year and another $500 million in 2026. On the flip side, Moderna is pushing hard into new vaccines, from flu-COVID combos to rare disease treatments. They're betting big on innovation to bounce back. Meanwhile, Eli Lilly, LLY, faced its own hiccup, trimming its 2024 revenue guidance due to lower-than-expected demand for its blockbuster weight loss drugs. Still, the company is optimistic about its oral weight loss pill, which could hit the market in early 2026. Lilly's making moves in oncology too, acquiring Scorpion Therapeutics for $2.5 billion to bolster its cancer treatment pipeline. Pharma's a tough crowd, but the potential upside is enormous. Segment 3, AI's next frontier, data centers. Now let's pivot to tech. Applied Digital, APLD, just landed a massive $5 billion investment deal with Macquarie Asset Management to build AI-focused data centers. This isn't just pocket change. These funds could support over 2 gigawatts of high-performance computing capacity, making Applied Digital a key player in the AI infrastructure race. What's fueling this boom? The Biden administration's push to lease federal land for gigawatt-scale AI data centers. Companies are required to integrate clean energy and use U.S.-made semiconductors. This isn't just about powering AI. It's a long-term play to keep America at the forefront of tech innovation. And with demand for AI solutions skyrocketing, it's an area to watch closely. Segment 4, Steel Showdown, Cleveland-Cliffs and U.S. Steel. Finally, let's talk steel. Cleveland-Cliffs is exploring a buyout of U.S. Steel after a $14 billion bid from Japan's Nippon Steel was blocked by the White House. If the deal goes through, Cleveland-Cliffs plans to sell one of its subsidiaries to rival Nucor. The stakes are high. U.S. Steel's strategic importance for national security is a major factor here. This isn't just a corporate tug-of-war, it's a geopolitical chess game. The steel industry's consolidation could redefine supply chains and manufacturing in the U.S., and investors are keeping a close eye on how this plays out. And that's a wrap for today's Market Mindset AI. From big pharma to AI data centers and a steel industry shakeup, the market is buzzing with opportunities and challenges. Thanks for joining me, Big Money Mike. Remember to stay sharp, stay curious, and as always, stay in the mindset. Catch you next time. This content is not financial advice, and it is a summary of news articles which was produced by AI.